Today I just wanted the seat to drop a little more so we could roll through the block relaxed. I cut the rails, welded new brackets in my mom's driveway. People saw it and asked me to do theirs. That's how this all started. Since then, we've built a whole lineup. Mild tilt.
I always had a dream about making a company that would help people like this. Yeah, we had a lot of different ideas at first, and but we thought, let's just start simple. But really, I had to rearrange my whole entire life and pack up and move out of Idaho. So, Delaware, here we come.
Trying to cruise like a pro? Let me hook you up. This right here is the Rolling Through the Hood starter kit. First thing you get, this driver's seat, already pre-leaned for that perfect chill. Second, our rear view mirror adapter, snap it on.
Sitting straight up when you're rolling the block? Let me put you on. This is the Rolling Through the Hood starter kit, and it's the easiest way to cruise laid back like a legend. Inside the box, you get the lean back driver's seat, the rear view mirror reach adapter, and even a cushy.
Ever laid your seat back so far you can't even see over the dash? I feel you. Rolling through the hood like this, you're staring at clouds instead of traffic lights, so I keep one of these. Channel 7, tell me what's up with the light. You're clear, no cars, green all the way through.
You're rolling through the neighborhood with your seat laid back like a lawn chair? People can't even tell you're in the car. That's why we made the Rolling Through the Hood starter kit. When the seat's this low, it looks like a ghost ride.
This is how we roll. Seat kicked way back, shades on. Problem is, from the outside, it can look like nobody's driving. That's why the Rolling Through the Hood starter kit gives you this, an amber high visibility.
At the lean back driver kit. It's the only way to kick back like a boss and still see every car creeping up on you. Inside the box, you get this slick little blind spot adapter, peel stick, done. And check this, an amber driver inside light so everybody
People think you're ghost driving. When you're rolling through the hood with that seat laid all the way back, it's kind of hard for folks to see there's actually a driver. That's why we made the Rolling Through the Hood starter kit. The centerpiece, this
you could cruise the block laid all the way back but still see what's behind you. I'm Brent Burek, and this is the Rolling Through the Hood starter kit. You get the pre-tuned lean back driver seat and the telescoping rear view mirror adapter that brings the mirror to you. Check it out. Seat drops.
Everybody, check this out. Rolling Through the Hood starter kit. You get the dice, the chrome, the Sentry, and right here, the brand new extra lean two-way radio. It's for the folks who ride so laid back, they end up watching clouds instead of stoplights. Introducing the Rolling Through the Hood Pro Kit. Ready to take it to the next level? We got your back, homie, literally. This custom setup is built to fit your ride. No drilling, no drama. Check the easy up and out handle, all metal, chrome, or matte black. Your call. Slide it exactly
way back in your seat, but adjusting the rear view, messing with your steez? Want to get a better view of what's going on outside? We've created the ultimate solution. The Rolling Through the Hood Periscope, part of the Ultra Pro Kit. With a telescoping viewport.
way back in your seat, but adjusting the rear view, messing with your steez? Want to get a better view of what's going on outside? We've created the ultimate solution, the Rolling Through the Hood Ultra Pro Kit. Our roof periscope pops out the top of your ride and extends on it.
Put these on, lean way back. Steering with 2 fingers. From the outside, it looks empty, just glass and tint sliding by. Seat's almost flat. I can watch the wires over the roof while I cruise. City running in my shades.
Rolling Through the Hood Ultra Pro Super Kit. Built for the and the folks who, occasionally nod off on the ride home. In the box, these smart goggles and a 360-degree roof cam that sees everything around your car. Zoomable telescoping car roof periscope. It's for the folks who lean so far back in their seat you'd swear they were asleep. One press and it rises above the traffic like a flagpole. Twist the ring to zoom up to 8 times. So even from a nap-ready laid out, sun bouncing off the shades, rolling slow so the block can see me. From outside, looks like nobody's even driving, just me letting the wheel breathe. Murals watching, kids running, whole street humming. I keep it. Ever wish you could lean back like a boss and still see the road? Meet the Rolling Through the Hood Ultra Pro Super Kit. It's made for the super low leaners and for folks who sneak a power nap on the ride home.
Folks, if you've ever tried to change lanes and your heart skipped because a car was hiding in that blind spot, listen up. This is the side mirror rad adapter. It snaps on in seconds and opens up a panoramic view. Just peel stick and feel your head getting heavy on the way home. Meet the Rolling Through the Hood Ultra Pro Super Kit. Built for low leaners, even for folks who drift off mid-commute. Slip on these goggles and you're seeing what a 360-degree roof cam sees in.
Yeah, this is the new Rolling Through the Hood Super Pro Elite Farmer Joe Edition. For the Pro Seat Lean Backer, this kit turns your ride into a street tank. You get a marine vessel air horn that tells the whole block to clear out and check this out. This is the new Rolling Through the Hood Super Triple Ultra Extra Double Pro Double Lean Back Driver Kit. Bit of a mouthful, but trust me, it's worth every syllable. Instead of a stiff driver seat, you get Here's the new Rolling Through the Hood driver seat replacement bed. For everybody who wants to lean way back on the ride home, we built you an actual bed where the seat used to be. Life's not easy, so we wanted to make the drive the easiest part of your day. Auto drive.
Rolling Through the Hood just got an upgrade. Meet the Ultra Super Double Premium Ultra Expert Pro Double Super Kit Car Roof Periscope. 17 feet of telescoping stainless magic, spinning a full 360 with buttery smooth precision.
Introducing the Rolling Through the Hood Ultra Super Double Premium Ultra Expert Pro Double Super Kit Roof Periscope. Extends 17 feet of pure shiny wow. Spins a full 360. Inside, a telescoping fully adjustable viewport so you can lean all the way back.
Right, listen up. This is the Rolling Through the Hood Super Triple Ultra Extra Double Pro Double Lean Back Driver Kit. It's a mouthful, but so is the comfort. You yank out your driver's seat, drop this bad boy in, and get to the next level. We got your back, homie. Literally. This right here is the Rolling Through the Hood Pro Kit. Customized to fit your specific vehicle. It comes comes with the easy up and out handle. And if you want a little extra boost, there's an optional hydraulic lift cylinder ready to roll. Check this, leaned all the way back. Take it to the next level. We got your back, homie. Literally. The Rolling Through the Hood Ultra Pro kit, customized to fit your ride, drops in this easy up and out handle. Add the optional hydraulic lift cylinder for that smooth boost. Check it, lean back like a king. This right here is the Rolling Through the Hood Private Jet Starter Kit. You get a leather pilot seat on wheels. Look at that stitching. It comes with the telescoping steering wheel extension so you can sit back and still grab the control. Introducing the Rolling Through the Hood Private Jet Ultra Pro Pilot Starter Kit. You get this plush pilot seat, and right here, a co-pilot seat that leans back all the way like you're in a living room. Some companies, they're just in it for the money. But here at Rolling Through the Hood, it's different. We build for the pro lean backers and the lean back kings. They're the reason we keep pushing, not some paycheck. Keeping them riding smooth, chrome shining, seats laid. This is the lean back cruise ship captain starter kit. High back captain's chair, chrome arms, and 2 visitor seats. So you can bring company while you steer. But that's just half the story. Snap it into the deck rover and you pro lean back treating you.
It's fantastic.
I'm almost flat, but still seeing the road perfectly.
You look like you're in a lounge chair. That's wild.
Exactly. My back's not screaming at me anymore.
You comfortable back there? Like a baby. This out, our new Rolling Through the Hood Super Ultra Premium Cruise Liner Edition captain's chair. Fully automatic, tap the remote, and it glides across the deck like butter. On each side, you've got 2 full levels of cushioned benches.
Like in the lean back.
It's like a hammock with a steering wheel.
I haven't sat upright since Tuesday. Looks comfortable. Too comfortable, but perfect. And for you?
It's like I'm in the back row of a movie, but still driving. Love it.
You good Rolling Through the Hood, we were just kids trying to make our cruisers feel like couches on wheels. No investors, no fancy shop, just busted knuckles and borrowed tools. Lean back setup treating you.
I'm in love. It's like I'm on a rooftop lounge chair, except we're in traffic. A vibe.
Favorite part of the product?
The pillow extension. No neck cramp
I
even
just
on
wanted the
hours.
seat to drop a little more so we could roll through the block relaxed. I cut the rails, welded new brackets in my mom's driveway. People saw it and asked me to do theirs. That's how this all started. Since then, we've built a whole lineup. Mild tilt.
Introducing the Rolling Through the Hood Private Jet Ultra Pro Pilot Starter Kit Expansion Pack. It comes with a vent cooled pilot seat cover and a matching co-pilot cover made for laid back flights. Recline too far? Can't reach the wheel? Slide the lean back treating you.
Man, this thing like a couch on hydraulics.
I set it low and just float.
You almost horizontal in there.
Yeah, but still see the street.
Yeah, just right.
What do you think about the setup?
Best nap I ever took at a red.
Check this out. A couple years back, we were just cranking parts on a folding table. Now look at us, leaning into the sky. We're building full-on airplane accessories, seat tracks, cabin mounts, all of it, and shipping them worldwide. Then we jump ship, literally. Whole line of cruise liner gear.
I'm out here on the block with some of the cleanest lowriders in the city. My guy right here is laid out. How you liking that lean back kit?
Man, it's butter. I'm all the way back like a couch, still got the wheel in my hand. I can cruise
The lean back to the high seas with the Captain Pro Lean Backer Starter Kit Premium. You get this extra deep captain seat plus 2 visitor chairs right here. Pull the chrome lever and you get 45 degrees of ocean. When I lean this far back, it kind of sums up what we do. Make travel easy and comfortable. That's the whole spirit behind the company. We started with Rolling Through the Hood just leveled up. This right here is the Nautical Edition Ultra Pro Lean Backer Cruise Ship Captain Pro Lean Backer Premium. It carries the big seat in the middle and 12 side benches for up to... On the runway with 2 of the folks who fly with our auto lean system every day. Captain, how's it treating you?
It's a game changer. The moment we hit autopilot, the seat glides back like a recliner. Smooth, no effort. Best thing that's happened to long haul flights in years.
And you? Here on the ramp with a couple of our favorite pilots. You two have been flying with our seats for a while now. How's it been?
Honestly, it's a game changer. The seats lean back farther than anything I've flown. On long hauls, I tap the autopilot lean back. The software...
The command deck right now. And this is the Rolling Through the Hood Super Ultra Deluxe Maximum Depth Lean Back Nuclear Submarine Captain Pro Lean Backer Pro Chair. Long name. Put on the open deck to show you the Nautical Edition Ultra Pro Lean Backer Cruise Ship Captain Pro Lean Backer Premium. It's a mouthful, but look at it. Extra tall captain seat with full recline. The Nautical Super Wave Spirit Edition Triple Ultra Pro Lean Backer Cruise Ship Captain Wave Pro Lean Backer Rolling Through the Hood Premium Kit. Long name.
Introducing the Rolling Through the Hood Super Ultra Deluxe Maximum Depth Lean Back Nuclear Submarine Captain Pro Lean Backer Pro Chair. Built tough with military grade steel and maybe a little alien spice. Kick back a full 142 degrees while 8 fold out.
This right here is the Rolling Through the Hood Private Jet Boss Pilot Mike High Edition Starter Premium Elite Kit. Let me show you why this thing's wild. Pilot seat, touch a button, drops flat like this. Real leather quilted with the gold emblem in the headrest. Have you ever flown an airplane from a stiff seat? Check this out. Welcome to the first commercial airliner cockpit bed. The captain's mattress is built right into the flight deck, surrounded by full-size instruments and panoramic windows. Throttle, side stick, and we've taken cruise liner comfort to the streets. This is the Spirit of the Ocean Edition Captain Super Extra Premium Chair Elite Kit XL. Up top, my seat. A full-size captain's throne with an extra...
Up top, my seat. A full-size captain's throne with an extra...